Goals and dreams are two concepts that are often used while striving for success. Although they can be used to complement each other, their meanings are different. This article explains what goals and dreams are and how they can be used in tandem to achieve personal success. 1. What are the goals? There are different ways to describe goals. We can say that goals are the desired results that you plan for and are committed to achieving. What makes goals amazing is that the things you want to achieve are clearly defined, within a certain time frame in which they are achieved. 2. What are dreams? Dreams are thoughts, fantasies, and aspirations that are often related to what we would like to achieve or experience. Dreams can be spontaneous or they can be old desires. Our dreams are often shaped and influenced by what we regularly see around us, things we have heard or read about, or things we see people do and admire. 3. The differences between goals and dreams. There is no need to confuse goals and dreams, if the difference is between them and how you use them together to facilitate your access to success. Here are some helpful ideas about goals and dreams. In order to have a dream, you have to bring your thoughts and imagination together. This means that you think deeply about what you want to achieve and what you want to reach, and how far you want to achieve these goals. As for dreams, everything ends in the realm of imagination if you don't take any action to get started. Unlike dreams, goals require a commitment to achieve a desired end. This includes setting the scale of goals, planning the order of events that will lead to their achievement and the timeline in which they must be achieved. You can dream at any time and in any case, and without any kind of formalities. But it is not the same for goals. Your goals must be carefully and consciously defined, you must write them clearly and they must be smart. It would be correct to say that there is no goal without a dream. A goal must be a dream before it becomes a goal, and you must have a desire and nurture it in your mind and arm yourself with the passion to achieve it. And so they can be turned into goals. Dreams can arise in your mind without becoming goals. Dreams can begin, continue, and end only in imagination. But when your mind picks them up, they can become actionable, achievable goals. To realize your dream, it must be captured and turned into goals. Then, you will have to create a goals strategy and follow it up with hard work. Achieved goals are the result of the steps you set after you are convinced that your dream is really worth it. Dreams don't cost you anything. You can dream several times a day without restrictions. But goals are not, so you have to think about whether your goals are achievable or not. When you set them and given the sacrifices associated with achieving your goals, you have to set a limit on the goals you can set each time. There are no dream structures and no limits to what you can dream about. But goals must be formulated and clearly defined, with measurable goals and a timetable. You can dream of inspiring yourself and looking forward to a greater future, but if you want to make real change, you have to be specific about what you want, and how you want to reach it. Goals are commitments geared toward making a difference. 4. How to turn your dreams into actionable goals. To help you take your dreams to the next level, follow these tips and create actionable goals. 1. Make your dream clear before your dream becomes mature enough to turn it into an actionable goal. You must be clear about what you really want. Here are some tips for illustrating your dreams. Read inspiring stories about successful people and think about your dreams. They will help you direct your dreams into the right perspective. Use the power of vision to visualize your future so that your mind is in tune with what you want yourself to do. You are known to always gravitate towards the images in your mind. Think about your dream. The mind is very powerful and has the ability to create fanciful concepts that can be turned into reality. Dreams are free, so think comprehensively. Capture your dreams by writing them down. This will make it more visible. Don't think how to write it, just write it automatically. 2. Divide your dream into short-term and long-term goals. You may not be able to pursue your dream in its original state, so you need goals. You must have a clear plan to achieve your dream, and this will include setting short-term and long-term goals. Short-term goals are the goals you set to achieve in less than a year. As for long-term goals, it can take 3 years to achieve them. And your short-term goals are actually your first steps toward achieving long-term goals. 3. Set SMART goals. What makes a goal different from a dream is that goals should be SMART goals when framed. This means that each of the goals you set to achieve your dream must be specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-limited. 4. Break each goal into small steps. After creating your SMART goals, you should also break each goal down into small steps that can be accomplished in a very short time. When you achieve these small goals, you feel motivated to keep getting closer to your big goal without feeling overwhelmed. It also enables you to keep your eyes on the big dream while focusing on the steps. Anyone can dream of creating the image they want for their future. You can achieve anything your mind can imagine if you take the time to turn it into goals. Make your dreams big, but break them down into smaller goals to gradually lead you towards achieving your big dream.